Hey kids, we are switching gears a little bit in math. We are going to move on from place value to do some review with adding with regrouping. Now, this is something that should be reviewed, but I'm going to go through it and do a couple problems together, and then you'll be able to practice. So we're just going to today, since it's the first day of it, take it easy and just use 3-digit numbers. Next week, we'll get into adding with bigger numbers. When we are adding, we always start over in the ones place. We also need to write our numbers on top of each other, and this is where place value is important because we need to make sure that the ones line up with the ones, the tens line up with the tens, and the hundreds line up with the hundreds. Once we have that all ready to go, we can look at the ones and say, okay, I have 3 ones plus 8 ones. Well, if I have 3 ones and 8 ones, then it equals 11 ones. The problem is I can't write 11 down here. So what I need to do is think, if I have 11 ones, can I trade in at all to get another 10? And yes, I can. If I have 11 ones, I can trade 10 of them in to get a 10 and have 1 left over. So my number 11 is just broken apart. Then I'll go into my tens. So now I have 2 tens plus 2 tens plus 1 10. Well, 2 tens plus 2 tens is 4 tens. Plus 1 more would be 5 tens, or 50. Now, did I have to make any new groups? Nope, I did not have enough to make 100. So over here in the hundreds, I've got 500 plus 100 is 600. So my answer would be 651. Let's try one more, and then I'm going to let you get to work. Oops, I didn't need to erase that. See here what we've got. 758 plus 365. Okay, let's take a look at this. We're going to start over here in the ones. 8 plus 5. Well, I know 8 plus 5 is 13. But if I have 13, I can't put that number down here. I need to split it up. So I need to make 10. I have a new 10 plus 3 ones left over. 13. Now I'm going to look at my tens. I have 6 tens plus 5 tens, which is 11. But I also have one more, which is 12 tens. Well, if I have 12 tens, I know that I can make a new 100. I will have 102 left over. That you can check it by seeing the number 12. Finally, I'm going to go into my hundreds. I have 300 plus 700 is 1000, plus one more would be 1100. Now I don't have a thousands place, but so I can put 11 down here. I just need to get my comma. So I have 1123. Your job for today is you have 10 problems to solve. Once you finish those 10 problems, you are done with math for the week. So go ahead and give it a try. Let me know if you get stumped and I can give you some help.